The rise of agile methodologies and practices like continuous delivery has caused R&D teams to significantly tighten their software delivery cycles. Now it's common to drip out new capabilities over various stages and expose them to additional users over time. There may still be a big public-facing launch, but usually not without multiple previous smaller releases to certain subsets of the user base. This iterative approach to releasing products and features requires an equally iterative approach to launches. Launches may be smaller, but more frequent, which means teams must launch products and features much more strategically today than they did in the past. When a product or feature is finally ready for release, it's up to the product manager to align sales and marketing efforts in order to maximize reach to the target customers and prospects. They work hand in hand with product marketing and provide guidance on the timing of a launch and how new functionality should be positioned when it goes live. Product managers also typically help decide which features to make paid and which should remain free, or what the paid cutoff for a feature should be in order to maximize conversion and retention. Since product managers are understandably eager to ensure customers both know about and actually use what they've built, many now leverage in-app guides and walkthroughs to announce releases and encourage users to try out new functionality. Like these personalized guides, AI tools will help further put the user at the center of a launch and tailor the release to their wants and needs. With emerging AI technology, product managers will no longer manually define the timing of a release. Instead, products will undergo smart releases, with a controlled rollout of both product or feature itself and the promotional content based on the usage and feedback from users. AI's ability to sift through and make sense of large data sets will prove especially powerful in this case. Using this AI and data-driven launch process, product managers will be able to monitor their goals with dashboards and reports that are automatically generated. They'll easily be able to track adoption and the impact of a release on business outcomes like increased revenue or churn reduction. AI will also enable product-led growth mechanisms for any product launch. AI-powered product experience tools will be able to identify what new products or features make sense to highlight to individual users in their journey, based on their specific characteristics and how they are currently utilizing the product. Product managers can again leverage in-app messaging to guide users towards the next step in their adoption path and ensure they convert on the right paid products at the right time. As any product manager knows, the work doesn't end once you've successfully launched something new. Next comes the important work of tracking adoption, monitoring usage, and identifying ways to improve what you've built. This brings us to the final two phases of the product management lifecycle: evaluate and iterate.